Hello everybody and welcome to Infinite Facebook and TikTok Pixel app. In this video we are going to talk about how to set up Snapchat Pixel in this app. So let's get started. First of all, you have to enable this app in your theme editor. So you have to click on activate. You have to enable this app in app embeds, activate it and then click on save. Now coming back to the app, you can see the app is activated because the banner is removed from here. Now we have to install the Snapchat Pixel. So for that, make sure you have signed up in Snapchat business account. You can see I already have my Snapchat business account here. You have to click on pixels. You can create a new pixel by clicking here, and these are my already created pixels. Right now I'm going with this one. Here you will get the pixel ID, so copy this ID and let's move back to the app. Click on add Snapchat Pixel. Here you have to write a name for your Snapchat Pixel. Here you have to paste the ID that you copied. Here you have to paste the Snapchat access token for server-side tracking that you will get from Snapchat business account. So let's move to it. Here you have to click on business details. Now you can see the option conversions API token. So now you have to copy this token, come back to the app and here paste it. Now you have to copy this code. So click on copy and then on customer events. Here you have to create a custom pixel. So click on add custom pixel and then you have to write a name for your pixel. Click on add pixel. Now remove this code and paste the code that you copied, and from permission select not required. Click on save and then on connect. Now this step is completed. Coming back to the app, click on I have done this above and click on save. You can see our Snapchat Pixel has been created successfully. Now let's perform some activities in the online store and check whether it's working perfectly or not. But before testing, make sure you install this extension Snap Pixel Helper in Chrome. Now in the store, you can see there is no browser setup. Now let's refresh the page. And you can see the pixel ID has been detected. It's our pixel ID and page view is also triggered here. Let's open this product and you can see view content is also triggered here and all the details related to it are here. Then perform add to cart. You can see add to cart event is also triggered. Now let's move back to the Snapchat business account and check whether the events are triggered here or not. Here you have to click on Events Manager. You can see the data is coming in text pixel. You can see there are two pixels showing. One is for browser side and the second one is for server side. And if I click on its details, you can see all the events that I performed in my online store are being tracked here. So this was all about Infinite Facebook and TikTok Pixel app, and in this video I discussed how to set up Snapchat Pixel in this app. Don't forget to share your feedback with us regarding this app, and thanks for watching this video.